Okay guys, this evening we're putting in this filter here, and it's gonna have this arrow right here. You'll look for the airflow. On the side of your filter, it'll have this airflow. So for this one, we have to go way up here, okay? Everybody's seen these. Some of them, sometimes people get a home where they're renting or whatever, and it's like there's nothing in there. Once those coils get clogged up, they start freezing over. And when you don't have air moving through there, no longer, you won't have any cold air until you get them thawed back out. So it's best to keep it changed so you won't have that problem. So we're gonna go ahead and first, we're gonna take that down. Those little fasteners that flip down, we're gonna take those down and we're gonna flip this out. It's good to wear some glasses. There's a lot of dust in there. When you flip that down, it can get all in your eye. So prepare yourself. Get all that stuff out of there. So you get stuck right into the new filter. Go ahead and have it tilted like this. There's on the edges. On the edges, I'm gonna put it in here. Doing this one-handed here, so sorry about that. But we're gonna put it in the edges. And then as I push it up, we'll put it in the slot, and then you just pull this up. Now I gotta get off the camera, do this, but you can see I'm gonna do this and push it up in there as I pull this vent up, and then I'm gonna lock it. So we pushed it up into place. So now we just gotta clean up our mess. Looking pretty good. Not perfectly clean, but we got most of it. New filter, change them often, or your coils will get stopped up. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.